Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X2 Superstrike. In this video I'll show you how to adjust DPI presets. To adjust DPI presets, let's go to Logitech G HUB and select sensitivity. Now you can adjust each preset. You can enable or disable presets. And rename the presets. Also, you can change it to factory defaults. In the end, you can delete the preset and create new one. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.